Welcome to Once Upon a Dish, where something delicious happened. Today, we unwrap a pastry with secrets baked into every buttery layer. It's delicate, it's flaky, it melts on your tongue. But its story? It begins not in Paris, but on the front lines of a war. This is not just a croissant. This is a battlefield, a royal scandal, a flaky French illusion. Stay with us. And if you love your food with a side of mystery, hit subscribe. We serve history warm. Imagine this: Vienna, 1683. Cannons echo in the hills. The mighty Ottoman Empire is at the gates. But the defenders, half asleep, except for one group, the bakers, working before dawn, deep in cellars, rolling dough. They hear the enemy tunneling beneath the city walls. They sound the alarm. The city is saved, and to celebrate, they bake a pastry. In the shape of the Ottoman crescent moon, a bite of victory, a symbol of survival. Now, is it legend? Yes, but like all good myths, it stuck, and so did the shape. The Austrians called it a Kipferl, dense, crescent-shaped, hearty, not flaky, not buttery, not quite the croissant we know. For that, we must turn to France, and to Marie Antoinette. She arrives from Austria, bringing a taste for comfort. And Kipferl. But the French, they don't just adopt, they refine. Add laminated dough, more butter than sense, and a technique so complex it terrifies new bakers to this day. Fold, chill, turn, rest, again. Flour clouds the air, butter fights back, layers upon layers, magic happens. By the 19th century, the croissant had become the star of the Parisian breakfast, a flake-shedding diva of the boulangeries. But the story doesn't end there. Today, croissants live many lives. In Tokyo, matcha croissant. In New York, the viral cronut. In Istanbul, yep, the crescent comes full circle. There's almond-filled ham and cheese pain au chocolat. And don't even get us started on the supermarket versions, flattened like broken dreams. Some purists weep. Some say, who cares? It's breakfast. And hey, what's with the shape? Ever noticed most croissants in France aren't even crescent-shaped anymore? Straight means all butter. Curved means margarine. No joke. It's geometry meets gastronomy. So, next time you bite into a croissant, remember, you're not just eating pastry. You're eating an empire, a rebellion, a royal whim, a war won by flour. History is weird like that. And delicious. So what's your croissant type? Crisp and classic? Funky and filled? Or do you commit the ultimate crime? Microwave? Let us know in the comments. And if you like this flaky tale, subscribe for more. Because at Once Upon a Dish, something delicious always happens. Bon appétit!